Hello guys, welcome back to your app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Goodman furnace not turning on. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you fix this specific issue here. So there are going to be a few things I could do here. So first is you need to clean the air filter. Now sometimes a clogged air filter can stop the furnace from working right, so causing it to blow cold air. So try taking out the filter and from then on cleaning it or replacing it, then restarting your furnace and see if that solves the problem. Now, another thing that you might want to take note here is you want to make sure that the fuse is not blown. So if there was a power surge recently, the fuse in your furnace might have blown. So it's easy to check. So just locate the fuse. If it's damaged, replace it. So this could help restore power to the furnace. And also, you might want to clean the flame sensor, which is inside the actual device here. So in this case, a dirty flame sensor rod can cause the furnace to shut down because it can't properly detect the flame. So carefully remove the rod, clean it with a soft cloth, and then reattach it again. So this might get the furnace working again. And also, you might want to try resetting the furnace. So sometimes the system just needs a good restart here to fix those minor issues. So turn off your furnace, wait for a few minutes or even an hour if you can. Then you want to turn it back on, and in this case, this is a quick and easy solution that you could try. And finally, you can check the control panel and thermostat settings. So make sure the control panel isn't showing any error codes and double check that your thermostat is set correctly, especially if it's heating mode with the right temperature. But then again, if those steps that doesn't actually fix your issue here, doesn't help at all, I would suggest you to contact their customer support. So in this case, there might be some underlying issues or bigger issues with your furnace here, and contacting professional to prevent any fires or any serious damages to your area or to your gadget here can actually help, or they can actually help you with this with your issues. But then again, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at CLN Help. Thank you for watching.